Hello friend, let's learn about outdoor movement actions. Climbing, climbing, climbing. Throwing, throwing, throwing. Catching, catching, catching. Kicking, kicking, kicking. Swimming, swimming, swimming. Riding, riding, riding. Flying, flying, flying. Jumping, jumping, jumping. Skipping, skipping, skipping. Sliding, sliding, sliding. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.